Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can register for a PNC bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL pnc.com. Once you do that, click on sign on button at the top right. Then click on enroll in online banking. After that, you'll be headed to this page and you'll have to click on get started button. So then in order to create an account, you'll have to enter your personal information. Start by entering your social security number. After entering your social security number, enter your PNC Visa or debit card number or online access PIN. After entering that, enter your PNC account number. Once you fill in all your information in this page, you'll be headed to the further section. You'll have to follow the processes mentioned in the page and your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the PNC bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.